Hey guys, so I recently asked on my Instagram if you wanted me to share how to get a salon quality manicure for less than $10 and in less than 10 minutes. And the answer was a resounding yes. So these are my best tips and tricks. At the salon, manicures are so expensive. And my trick is I use press-on nails. Shh, do not tell anyone. But the biggest key is to use the Kiss brand. This video is not sponsored, but my favorite are the Salon acrylic French nude nails. They range anywhere from $5 to $7 at the drugstore or the grocery store. These are the best because they're the only ones I found that look super realistic. And I always go for the square tip real short. They come in longer lengths and with rounded tip, but those ones are my favorite because I've got kids, so I don't like to have anything longer. The other really big secret, so these look like salon nails and not press-on nails, is to not use the glue that comes with the kit. You want to buy maximum speed nail glue. This is an additional $2, but it is absolutely worth it. This is the best glue that I found. I typically buy a new bottle of glue each time, but you can get away with using this bottle twice. I get these nails to last for 2 weeks and I'm only spending $9. Here's how to apply them really easily. Trim your natural nail down to be as short as possible and gently push your cuticle back using the wooden piece that the kit comes with. Then you want to take the buffer that the kit comes with and buff over the top of your nail. This is going to give the glue a place to stick to. Do not skip this step. And now you want to fit the nails onto your natural nail. The key when doing this is to find your numbers and remember them so you don't have to do it every single time. And make sure that the artificial nail goes all the way to the bed of the natural nail. That's going to make it look the most realistic. I find when people do this, they always want to start with their thumbs, but you want to do these last because that's what you're going to use to press down the nails as you go. Take your glue and first apply it to the bed of the artificial nail, avoiding the French tip. Then, working quickly, apply the glue to your natural nail, almost as if you're doing a paint by number, but do not take the glue all the way to the edge, otherwise it will seep out. Holding the nail by the tab, press it from the cuticle all the way forward, then hold down for 15 seconds. And this is going to allow the glue to spread evenly underneath and it's going to look really natural. And if there's any seepage of glue, take a little tissue and wipe it away. With a proper fit and good application, these look so beautiful.
That you and me are done. How do I know my time is up when he's taking over? Why do I feel this much right now? 'Cause he's taking over. Less of a bothered me.
Finally, I file away any excess tab and you're done. And I know you're gonna ask, how do you take these off? Do they ruin the nail underneath? They're so easy to remove, and no, they do not ruin your natural nail. From the drugstore, you can get non-acetone acrylic nail remover for about $1. Soak your nails in it for about 10 minutes, and then gently taking that little wooden stick that it came with, you can peel the nail off once they're loose. The biggest key is to never pull these nails off. Then yes, you can rip the natural nail underneath. But if you take it off gently enough, I've never had problems with my nail underneath or even any yellowing or discoloration. Do you have any events coming up? Let me know in the comments down below. It's always fun to hear the places you're going. I think this would be fun for any type of vacation or spring break or a wedding. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a thumbs up and I will catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe and that way I can see you there. Bye.
I'm laughing because I do nails. Carson, would you like to show them how you decorate yourself? Should we show them your feet too?